Hope you guys are doing good. So what is today? Today is Wednesday and I am leaving my house in a bit. I'm going over to BB Artistry. My friend Blessing, she opened her store last week and I couldn't make it for the store opening, the store launch. So I'm going there today, partially because I want to see the store and also because I want to drop off some fabrics for her to make, you know, some clothes for me. BB Artistry is the one that made Latoya's reception dress for the wedding back in July. She made all our ashwebi for the traditional wedding, myself and all the other bridesmaids, friends of the bride. So yeah, she's my G. I've known her for like a couple of years and yeah, she was even at the wedding as well. So I'm going there right about now. She's expecting me and you guys will come along with me as always. Let me go and throw on a wig and get going.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that
The CEO, the founder, the owner of BB Artistry. Wow.
So that's what we're definitely making.
Yes.
This is stunning.
Yes.
And then it gives your color.
Sexy, sexy.
I know.
Yeah, it'll be perfect. Oh, I can't wait, guys. Okay, just in case. Please, I'm ready. So jumpsuit with this and then whatever you're going to make with that. Is a secret. Hey. I'm excited. Oh my God.
My outfit.
I know. I'm so excited already. What? Blessing always knows what's up. Like, Blessing always knows what will look good with any kind of fabric.
Yeah.
She just saw that. I said Adire silk. She made that's the name.
Yeah.
She just saw Adire silk. Say, I know what to make with this. She saw the other one. Say, I know what to make with this.
After you rocked it, I'll not
Hey. I can't wait. I'm excited. Gosh, I'm so excited for new outfits.
if you love me right, yeah. Oh, if you love me right, yeah. This could be the summer of our lives.
So guys, I just got back from BB Artistry and I came home to a nice package from a very, very interesting brand. Like a very, very interesting brand. Let me show you guys. Ta-da! So I got a package from Jameson Irish Whiskey, Jameson Nigeria, and this is really huge, guys. Like, this has been one of the biggest brands I've ever had send me something, PR, campaign stuff, you know. So yeah, anyways, this was actually supposed to come in time for Independence Day, but Independence Day was like 5 days before now, so obviously we missed the dates, but still I'm so glad I got this package from them. So in it is this, obviously, Jameson Irish Whiskey. You guys know the drill, and I'm excited for this because I don't currently have alcohol in my house. Like, all the alcohol that I had has finished because I've been drinking them. But yeah, I'm excited to have a bottle of whiskey to mix with all of my juices. I mostly like to take, you know, little bits of alcohol at night, maybe when I'm relaxing watching Netflix. I like to sip on some. Hello. Hello. You're pretty. Kisses. Yeah, what's this?
Bite me up. Bite me up.
It says celebrate the freedom to be you. I think this is in commemoration of the Independence Day. Okay, so also in the bag we have, these are like extra packs of the whiskey, just like 2 extra packs. And then we have some cups, Jameson Irish whiskey cups for sipping and some whiskey, okay? And we have this Jameson socks is what is written on it. Let's open and see. I think we have some socks in here. Oh, that's so cute. Some nice branded socks. Wow, that's pretty and the quality is amazing. Oh, this is actually really cute. I like that. Over here we have even sunglasses safe. Hey, Jameson sunglasses. That's interesting. This brand is not playing at all though. Wow, that's very pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love the wooden detailing that it has, and the green glasses cleaner. Very cute. What is this? Phone card holder. I'm not sure what that is. Phone card holder. Okay, for the back of your phone, I think. My vlogging camera battery died, so I've had to charge the battery. I just put on my big camera. The last thing in the bag is a t-shirt, I think. Yeah, a nice Jameson t-shirt. Yeah, so pretty. So thank you so much to Jameson Nigeria for this lovely package. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, let me go and do other stuff and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
The next day.
Hi guys. So guys, it's barely even 8 a.m. in the morning, guys, and I'm already up and doing. I got Mia ready for school. And usually when I get her ready for school that early, I will just take one more hour to just like sleep and catch my breath. But I don't have the luxury of doing that today because I have to go and make my hair, guys. Look at my hair. Like, I have to go and make my hair. I'm going to braid my hair again today. And of course, I'm going to be using Lush hair, okay? So this one is in the style, I'll be in the number 51, color 51. And it's just a very nice gray, you know, it has this gray sheen. Let me see if I can open and show you guys what it really looks like. Nah, if I open this thing now, it's gonna scatter. All right, so that's what the color looks like. It's definitely gray. It has, you know, hints of dark brown, a bit black, but for the most part it's mostly gray. And I'm excited because I have done gray braids before. My birthday 2020, yeah, last year I made gray braids. So this one is actually a lot more. I love it. It looks shiny, it looks cute, and I cannot wait. You guys know that I don't funk with any other, you know, hair extension brand right now other than Lush hair. I love their hair extensions because it is soft, shiny, it's light, okay? And even when your hair is old, you still have that shiny look. The hair still looks really shiny. So yes guys, I'm going to be doing my hair today. I'm doing a very simple style, you guys. Very simple style. It's not going to be coily like the last braids, my pink braids. It's going to be like really nice but simple. Yeah, I'm going to be leaving my house in a few, and I had to go this early because I don't want to come back late. I have an appointment later in the afternoon and I have to meet the appointment, so I need to go. Anyways, my hair has actually really grown since I cut it in July. Once I take out these braids in about a month or so, I'm definitely going to recut the hair, repixie cut the hair basically. Yeah, but that'll be after I take out these braids that I'm going to do today. So come on guys, let's go. It's hair day. I'm excited. Let's go.
Startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
my hair so much, guys. It looks so nice. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. Anyways, I am done after about 4 or 5 hours, and I need to go and grab a bite because I'm so hungry right now. So let's go eat because a girl is hungry.
Much later.
You love me, yet you don't do what I want you to do for me.
Shut up.
Eh?
Shut up.
Shut up. They are hearing you. You're telling your wife to shut up.
Who is this?
And you are, who are you to her? Or he, for she, or her.
For her.
That guy was talking nonsense. Absolute crap. Guys, I'm just editing this vlog, and my apologies, this is going to be like a really short vlog, guys, because I haven't really been doing like a lot in the last couple of days. Well, I have been doing a lot, but those are like other vlogs. I split my vlogs, okay? So I choose like the most interesting parts of my vlogs and make them the center of one vlog. Do you guys get me? I think I've said this before on my channel, splitting your vlogs. I feel like it makes more sense, keeps you guys wanting more, creating more content for you guys and all of that. So yeah, currently editing this one, so it's going to be like a short vlog of just hair day and unboxing my Jameson package, and what else, of course, yeah, going to be artistry. I'm currently snacking on this is the fruits and nuts mix from Real Fruits. I'm actually working with Real Fruits, guys. See, I've been working with some quite interesting brands, okay? I'm working with Real Fruits, but it's going to be on Instagram probably by the end of this week. The content will go up on Instagram, so look out for that. I'm working with Real Fruits, very exciting. It's a healthy way to snack. Guess you're much of a snacker. This is a very healthy way to snack. Why are you eyeing me? What do you have to say to the clan today?
You are chopping live, man. You eat everything. Your husband out here working. You eat. You're not even offer something. Like, so bad.
Yeah, take no.
No, don't give me, because I said it. You don't give me. We're here working, but you're gonna carry chips and eat alone. Okay.
Say hi.
Hi guys. You don't want to give me food? Eat alone, chop like that.
Take. You know I love you.
Love us. So what is here?
Fruits and nuts, dried fruits, raisins, other dried fruits and nuts. Okay guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. This is 2 minutes to 10 p.m. Mia is already, you know, asleep. Tomorrow is school, so yeah, usually when she doesn't sleep in the afternoon after school, she sleeps quite early, you know, from like 7:30 ish. So I give her her bath early on days that's our school days, and she doesn't sleep in the afternoon. But anyway guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe.
And come back.
In your mind, you know my outro more than me. Subscribe guys, comment, share, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.